Hi, Mr. X with glossary term I, the square root of a -1. This value, this very, very special value, takes us off the real number line and leads us into the world of the complex number plane. It may not really take us away from the real number line as much as introduce us into the complex number plane. It turns out all numbers are complex. All values are complex, with the real and imaginary part if we want to use those terms. There's a problem with the term imaginary. We say that I doesn't exist. It's imaginary. No, it exists. There's an I. There's a square root of a -1. It exists. But as soon as I say, no, it exists, it's real. No, it's not real, because real is the term we give to the numbers that can be ordered from -infinity to +infinity on the real number line. So, while this guy is called imaginary, it exists. Two basic ways to remember it. I is equal to the square root of a -1, or I squared is simply a -1. Whichever way works better for you is fine. Some people like it this way. What's I? It's the square root of -1. Some people like it this way. Well, I squared is a -1. It's that value that when we multiply it times itself gives us a negative. These are equivalent. Whichever way you want to remember it, that's I. At MrXmath.com, Mr. X takes the mystery out of math.